start building a missing word interaction, hover over the left-hand menu, then click Interaction. Find the missing word template in the list, dragging and dropping it from the menu onto the page. Click anywhere to close the left menu. Once the interaction appears on the page, hover over it until the content toolbar appears in the top right corner. To edit the interaction, click the pencil icon to open the interaction editor. You will then be presented with the default missing words layout, demonstrating how the interaction is set up. The words on the right-hand side must be dragged into the correct boxes within the text on the left. Firstly, type or copy your text into the text area provided. Highlight the word or phrase to wish to make an option for the user to select and then click the Add Missing Word icon to add it to the word list on the right. You can change the style of the interaction by clicking Change Style in the content toolbar. Each interaction will automatically match the color theme set up when you begin creating your module. Once you have selected the style, you can change the color by right-clicking anywhere on the panel to bring up the color picker. Once you are happy with your changes, click Save.